You're watching How Leap. Let's fix a Facebook login error on your iPhone. First, check your internet connection by opening a website in Safari. Next, ensure the Facebook app is updated by visiting the App Store and tapping your profile icon to check for pending updates. If the problem persists, force close the Facebook app by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and pausing in the middle. Then swipe the Facebook app card up to close it. Reopen the app and try logging in again. Clear the app's cache by going to your iPhone settings, scrolling to Facebook, and toggling the background app refresh option off and then on. You can also try logging in via Safari by going to facebook.com to see if the issue is with the app. Reset your network settings by going to Settings, then General, then Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap Reset, then Reset Network Settings. This will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords. If you still can't log in, uninstall and reinstall the Facebook app as a last resort. Ensure your device's date and time are set to update automatically in Settings under General and Date and Time. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.